Hi, this is Sam Berg with Technical Glass Products here in downtown Seattle, checking out the Pilkington Profilit channel glass supplied for the Emerald Tower project. Let's take a closer look. The Emerald is a newly developed modern high-rise located next to the historic Pike Place Market. The building incorporates various glass products to leverage the appealing views of neighboring buildings, as well as the adjacent blue waters of the Puget Sound. One of the product lines that TGP supplied for this project is Pilkington Profilit. This system consists of self-supporting translucent cast glass channels with an extruded perimeter frame. It is installed on the podium level of the building exterior, providing privacy with high-quality diffuse light for residents and an eye-catching inherent greenish hue. TGP also supplied glazing for the third-floor gym and community meeting space of the building where enhanced daylighting and transparency were desired. Dividing these spaces required fire-rated glazing to meet code requirements. TGP supplied the Fireframes ClearView System, which is comprised of butt-glazed Pilkington Pyrostop transparent wall panels with nearly colorless transition between the pieces of low iron glass. Fire-rated for 60 minutes, the Fireframes ClearView System features a Fireframes Heat Barrier perimeter frame and doors. Code requirements met with the beauty of fire-rated glazing. This is Sam Berg with Technical Glass Products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.